This is another thing about the colonial. He stole our land, but he doesn't know anything about it. No, the history was perpetrated upon us, not the other way around. We need someone who's got the brains and the courage to stand up and start to move away from this British Eurocentric headspace and realise who you are. Identity's big business, eh? It certainly did help a lot of convicts who escaped from their jailers. They didn't acknowledge where this knowledge came from. It came from First Nations people. Break the leaf and smell the oil, and there should be another sensation about utilising all of your senses.